So this is the granny square blanket finished. I did 30 rows total of this blanket, and this is how it looks finally. You'll find the written pattern link in the description box with all the details required for the yarn, the size, and the number of rows as well. So this is a very easy blanket to make, just a repetitive row throughout and no increase or decrease, just the change of color, which I'll link the video also in the description box. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.